Today we're moving the rear door panel and speaker from a Ford Ranger. We're troubleshooting a loss of bass, which is a speaker phasing problem. We're going to start with our pry bar, and at the top of the seatbelt assembly we're going to pry this small cover up to let it hinge open. This will access a Torx screw. We're going to remove this Torx screw. Then the top of the seatbelt assembly will somewhat hang from the door while we go through the remainder of this removal. With your pry bar, start at the opposite side of the panel with the seat belt, prying down along the edge of this panel, releasing these clips, and around the entire panel. These clips can be very difficult to release, but with pry pressure they will release. Once these clips are released, the top edge of the panel will somewhat come back away from the door. This will allow you to pull the bottom of the door panel up and away from the bottom of the seat belt assembly. When reinstalling this side panel, line your bottom corner first, your clips along the door panel, and be sure the weather stripping is outside and not pinched behind the panel. While the panel is pulled back, we want to check the door for any remaining door panel clips that did not get pried off with the panel. Pry these out of their openings. These will go back to their specific spots on the door panel, and this will be ready for reinstallation. This is the 5x7 Ford speaker. I hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.
You better close that door.
Yeah.